Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Realme 5 versus a Oppo F11. Oppo F11 comes with a MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the Realme 5 comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor with a 4GB RAM, and it is a 6GB RAM variant that I have in this video. So Realme 5 comes with a very unique feature. On the back is having a quad cameras on the back versus a dual cameras on the Oppo F11. So very interesting specification. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and Realme 5 logo came up first, while the Oppo F11 is also right behind, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. And let's see. Oppo F11 is done and Realme 5 is still taking some time, and now it is also done. About 2 or 4 second difference there between these devices. F11 comes with a full HD IPS LCD display versus a 720p IPS LCD display on the Realme 5. Both phones comes with a water drop notch, so let's get right into it. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application we have is the phone dialer, basic stuff, and that is faster on the Oppo F11 followed by the Realme 5 mic lock, and again little bit faster I think on the Oppo F11. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test, so my files again seems like Oppo F11 is just a tiny bit faster there. So launching the settings, and again faster on the Oppo F11, while the Realme 5 is little bit slower there. Calculator little bit faster on the Oppo F11, and you can see about half a second difference there between these devices. System based application is really faster on the Oppo F11. Let's see some games application. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga like always. Oppo F11 is just a tiny bit faster there, very small difference there. So next game application we have is the Subway Surfer, and MediaTek Helio P70 is definitely showing performance. Oppo F11 is done and Realme 5 is right behind. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Like before, Oppo F11 is faster there, followed by the Realme 5. About 1 or 2 second difference there, and you can see, and the app's opening speed in system based application and games application, it is faster on the Oppo F11, and Realme 5 is right behind. And last, we're gonna launching the cameras on both phones, and little bit faster on the Realme 5 and followed by the Oppo F11, very small difference there. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones, same Wi-Fi network on these devices. So first website we have is the Samsung.com. And loading is finished on the Oppo F11 faster, and you can see now it is also done on both phones. And let's see the scrolling speed, and you can see no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. So next website we have is the wikipedia.org, and you can see that was about the same on both phones. Very fast performance on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out, no lag whatsoever in these devices. Very smooth performance on both phones. Let's show you the RAM measurement, and Oppo F11 comes with a 6GB RAM versus a 4GB RAM on the Realme 5. So first phone dialer, that is not refresh, again not refresh, settings, again no refresh, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and still same result, no refresh on both phones. Very good RAM management performance on both phones. And last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see that is also not refresh on both phones surprisingly. And guys, you can see Apps opening speed, it is faster on the Oppo F11 and Realme 5 is right behind to the Oppo F11. RAM management is excellent on both phones. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between Realme 5 versus the Oppo F11. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about this new Realme 5 with the quad cameras on the back. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.